चलो, so mole general meaning. Instead of chemistry, I'm saying suppose you are talking about any lay person who don't know the meaning of mole. Mole general meaning is nothing but pile up. Pile up meaning is huge quantity, large quantity. ठीक, उसी के बाद बोल रहा हूँ मैं मोल इज नथिंग बट एसआई यूनिट फॉर measurement of amount of chemical substance. Okay, so before that one thing written, that is atomic mass of all the elements are written with respect to periodic table. Why? That is mole is also defined with respect to carbon 12. That's why I'm saying. तो मैंने लिखा एक सेंटेंस और प्लीज राइट एवरीवन कि atomic mass of all elements in the periodic table in the periodic table is written with respect to कार्बन 12. यहां तक हम लोगों ने करके दिया था लास्ट वन. ओके, यहां तक हम लोगों ने लास्ट करके लिया था. So those, by the way, who had joined late one, suppose they have joined late one, so they can write the things. Now, I told you what is the unit of, yeah, what is the need of defining this mole? Because you have already unit for mass, that is kg, for volume, which is defining amount. You are having centimeter cube, meter cube, like that. And for number, that is also defining amount. ऐसा 1 2 3 4 you have already. Then what is the need of defining mole? Mole itself can be defined in terms of mole itself can be defined in terms of mole itself can be defined in terms of number, mass, and volume. Number, mass, and volume. So please write down the statement. Please write down the statement. लिखो. Mole can be defined in terms of mole can be defined in terms of mole can be defined in terms of mass, number, and volume. Mole can be defined. Mole can be defined in terms of mass, number, and volume. Okay? So please write heading number 1, that is in terms of mole in terms of mass. Mole in terms of mass. Mole in terms of mass. First heading mole in terms of mass. चलो इधर देखो सभी लोग. Nobody will write anything now. क्या बोल रहे हैं कि 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12. सभी लोगों ने लाइफ में कार्बन 12 देखा क्या? यस और नो?
नो सर.
सभी लोगों ने लाइफ में कार्बन 12 देखा क्या? हैव यू एवर सीन कार्बन 12 इन द लाइफ? यस और नो? सुरभि?
नो सर.
नो सर. परदेसी, बोल। वेदिका, यस,
नो
नो
सर।
सर, नो। सभी लोगों ने देखा है, सब लोगों ने देखा है, पता है, सब लोगों ने देखा है, अपनी लाइफ की पढ़ाई ही स्टार्ट जैसे किया है। तो मैं तुम लोग को बता दूं कि हैव यू एवर सीन पेंसिल, पेंसिल
यस
पेंसिल जिससे लिखते थे, है ना? दैट इज नथिंग बट, देखना, दैट इज ग्रेफाइट, दैट इज ग्रेफाइट, दैट इज ग्रेफाइट। व्हाट इज ग्रेफाइट? इज नथिंग बट कार्बन 12। ग्रेफाइट इज नथिंग बट कार्बन 12। ग्रेफाइट is nothing but carbon 12. So pencil is graphite and graphite is carbon 12. Now it is clear.
यस
आकांक्षा,
सर।
यस, सब लोगों ने देखा। हम लोग को पता ही नहीं हमारे अंदर
यस
कितनी
सर।
पावर है, हम लोग को पता ही नहीं कितना हमारे अंदर पावर है ना? तो 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 मोल। अरे, लेकिन ये तो डेफिनेशन मिलता नहीं है कहीं पर। प्रॉब्लम इज फर्स्ट थिंग कि why 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12 इज 1 मोल? Why 12 gram of carbon 12 is 1 mole? Why not 100 gram of carbon 12 is equals to 1 mole? Why not 20 gram of carbon 12 is defined as 1 mole? So now this is concept. Suppose मैं तुमसे बोल दूं कि 1 किलोमीटर में कितना मीटर होता है? जल्दी बोलो सब लोग।
1000 मीटर।
1000।
Why 1000? 500 क्यों नहीं? 500 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 1 किलोमीटर क्यों? ऐसा क्यों नहीं है? Why this is not defined कि 500 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 1 किलोमीटर? Any idea? So all these things are nothing but concepts that is developed by the wise person, that is scientist. Now whole world will follow the same thing. Yes or no? Getting my
Yes.
point? What I'm saying. Suppose you are taking 1 liter of water. Suppose you are taking 1 liter of water. In gram it will be 1000. Why 1000 gram equals to 1 liter? 200 gram equals to 1 liter क्यों नहीं? है ना? So this is the question where you have to think. Now there is no need to thinking of all these things because all these things are nothing but concepts. Now whole world will follow the same concept. Now I'm saying mole is also, देखो word heading ही क्या है? Mole concept. Mole concept, है ना? So now we are developing a concept. The whole world will follow the same thing in terms of SI unit. So 12 gram of carbon 12. तो हम लोग के बुक में, even in other coachings, other persons, other class, other schools, teachers, they will define mole in terms of number. वो मैं बताऊंगा. But I will give you definition of mole. At least 6-7 definitions I will give you. 6-7 definitions I will give you for mole. But I will tell you which definition you will write in the exam. है ना? Definitely, otherwise वो कट करके जीरो कर देंगे. तो एक तो तुम्हारे पास यही हो गया कि 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12 इज डिफाइंड एज 1 मोल. तो प्लीज राइट 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 मोल. 12 gram of carbon 12 is defined as 1 mole. 12 gram of carbon 12 is defined as 1 mole. Real chemistry starts now. Mole नाम सुना होगा सब लोगों ने 9th क्लास में पढ़ा भी होगा. मोल इज इक्वल्स टू नथिंग बट 1 मोल इक्वल्स टू 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. I think you have already studied mole is nothing but 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, but that was in terms of number. Now we are defining in terms of mass. चलो देखो, ध्यान से देखो. Nobody will write up now. क्या बोल रहा है? 12 gram of carbon 12 is defined as 1 mole. So 1 gram will be how much? Hello, 1 gram will be how much?
1/12.
12 mole, but किसका? Carbon 12. So for x gram, x into 1 upon 12 mole of carbon 12. है ना? So
Yes.
mole is nothing but mass of carbon 12 divided by its atomic mass. Please write everyone. Please write everyone. Please write everyone. Please write everyone. So what will be the definition? Second, mole is ratio of mass of carbon 12 and its atomic mass. But please do not write in the exam this definition. Take. I will tell you which definition you have to write. You must write. You have to write. You must write. But what is the problem? Suppose you want to define this one for HCl, H2SO4. Suppose you want to define for HNO3. है ना? अब देखो, as I told you earlier, atomic mass of hydrogen is written with respect to carbon 12. See the statement. What was that? Statement I'm saying. क्या था? Atomic mass of all elements in the periodic table is written with respect to carbon 12. Why? Everywhere you are writing for nitrogen 14 AMU, sulfur 32 AMU, oxygen 16 AMU. AMU itself is defined with respect to carbon 12. That I will explain you later after finishing mole. AMU itself is defined with respect to carbon 12. So hydrogen 1 AMU is written with respect to carbon 12. Chlorine 35.5 is written with respect to carbon 12. So you can say atomic mass of HCl, that is molecular mass of HCl, is written with respect to carbon 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen, atomic mass of sulfur, atomic mass of oxygen is written with respect to carbon 12. So you can say कि molecular mass of H2SO4 is written with respect to carbon 12. Yes or no? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Please say everyone, please participate.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you can say, if it is written with respect to carbon 12, if it is written with respect to carbon 12, now क्या करो? Replace. How you will replace? Replace mass of carbon 12. Replace mass of carbon 12 by mass of any chemical substance. Any chemical substance. And atomic mass is replaced by and atomic mass of carbon 12 is replaced by is replaced by molecular mass. Is replaced by molecular mass. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you can write mole for any chemical substance. Mole for any chemical substance. That is nothing but mass must be in gram divided by molecular mass. Now please write. Please write everyone. Please write everyone. Please write everyone. Done?
Yes.
Greater is the participation from your side. Greater is the participation from your side. Better will be the class. Better will be the class. Better will be the class. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. मेरा सब लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है प्लीज ज्वाइन लेक्चर ऑन टाइम, क्योंकि अगर स्टार्ट में तुम्हारा छूट गया हो सकता है कि होल डे विल बी नल फॉर यू। हो सकता है कि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आए। ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि इफ यू आर मिसिंग 5 or 10 minutes ऑफ द स्टार्ट। चलो आ जाओ। बोर्ड कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है, व्हाइट और ब्लैक? इस बोर्ड के साथ जाना चाहते हैं हम लोग?
Black.
ब्लैक
Sir,
और
black.
व्हाइट? ब्लैक, वेरी गुड। ऐसा फील लग रहा है ना कि अभी हम लोग क्लास सेकंड में अभी भी पढ़ रहे हैं, वैसा जैसे पहले लिखते थे हम लोग। चलो, तो बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ मोल for any chemical substance is, now we will write directly mass divided by molecular mass. So please start writing problem immediately. छोटे छोटे, हाँ? Find out moles of, first लिखा 6.3 gram of HNO3। सेकेंड लिखा 3 mu, mu is microgram of C2H6, then 9.6 gram of sulfate. Fast, fast please. अर्णव काही प्रॉब्लम आहे?
नो सर.
नो, व्हेरी गुड. साहिल?
नो सर.
व्हेरी गुड. जोगलेकर काही प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर.
गुड. किसी को भी कभी भी प्रॉब्लम हो, इमीडिएटली स्टॉप मी. सर ये मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे बताओ. ओके. चलो, फॉर ए, अच्छा, नंबर ऑफ मूव्स कैसे हम लोग लिखते हैं? स्मॉल एन से. नंबर ऑफ मूव्स स्मॉल एन. नंबर ऑफ मूव्स स्मॉल एन. So this is number of moles of HNO3. Now you can write. अभी बाद में ये हम लोग learning. That's why I'm writing all the things. Either you are writing molecular mass or molar mass. Both are same. ठीक है ना? So mass is 6.3. Molecular mass कितना आया? कोई बताएगा क्या?
63.
Very good. This is 6.3 divided by 63 is nothing but 0.1 mole. Number of moles of HNO3 will be nothing but 0.1 mole. जब हम लोग मोल्स यूनिट में लिखेंगे तो MOL लिखेंगे. डिफाइन करने के लिए लिखेंगे तो MOLE लिखेंगे. ओके. नाउ number of moles of C2H6. So this is 3 mu. What is mu? What is the meaning of mu? 10 raised to power. Mu is micro.
Minus 6.
Yes. What is nano?
10 raised to power minus 9.
10 raised to power minus 9. Milli. तो ऐसे अगर वर्ड आएंगे माइक्रो, मिली, किलो, है ना, तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा देखते रहेंगे. Now what is the molecular mass of C2H6?
30.
30.
Is nothing but 30. 3 into 10 raised to power minus 6 upon 30, which is equals to 1 upon 10 into 10 raised to power minus 6, equivalently 10 raised to power minus 7. Yes, sir. Now, so this is simple 11th class board level. Now, immediately let us move towards the competition. What is that? 9.6 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Sorry, 9.6 gram of sulfate. Who will tell me the answer? किसी का आया क्या? Now, number of moles of sulfate. What will be the formula? Mass of sulfate divided by इसका molecular mass. Molar मतलब 1 mole का mass. So it is given as 9.6 sulfate, that is 32 sulfur, 4 multiplied by 16. तुम लोग मुझे ये बताओ, what is the meaning of -2? इधर देखो सभी लोग. As I
2
told you,
electrons.
if ऐसा ऐड किया या 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव किया, then it is Na plus. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड किया, then it becomes Cl minus. अब बोलो, it is SO4 2 minus. It should be +2 or -2A.
+2.
बोलो इन मॉलिक्यूलर मास इट मस्ट बी, जल्दी बोलो सभी लोग।
+2.
It must be +2 or -2. Everyone please participate.
+2.
सब लोग बोल रहा हूँ। रिया स्क्वायर
Sir, +2.
+2 और -2। बोल आर्या, आकांक्षा, रेवा। It should be +2 or -2?
+2.
तो स्नेहा ने बोला +2। तो देखो इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि कैसे कंपटीशन में हम लोग का रॉन्ग होता है ना। कंपटीशन कुछ नहीं है, इट इज नथिंग बट अ कॉन्सेप्ट। सुरभि, सुरभि क्या होना चाहिए? It should be +2 or -2? It must be +2 or -2. It will be neither +2 or -2. It is 0. Now problem is why. अरे बाबा, as I told you, by definition, यही तो कंडीशन है और क्या है? मुझे सब कुछ आता है। You are knowing each and everything. You are knowing all formula. You have just blindly mug up all the formula. But I said but. In the exam is always if and but. Always if and but. That creates a lot of problem. Now, what I'm saying, one electron is removed. What is the mass? What is the atomic mass? Sum of what is the atomic mass? Sum of number of protons
Protons,
plus number of.
neutrons.
No, there is no electron. What is atomic mass? Sum of protons plus sum of.
Neutrons.
One.
So had you ever considered atomic mass? Have you ever considered atomic mass for mass of electron?
No.
No, we never considered mass of electron in mass of the atom. It is always sum of proton plus sum of neutron. Now you are adding one electron or two electron. So what was that? Two extra electron is added. Yes or no? There is no removal of proton, there is no removal of neutron, since proton and neutrons are present into the nucleus. And you are adding or removing electron outside the nucleus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mostly 99% students, 99.9% students wrong करते हैं ये वाला। ठीक, this is my favorite question. So this is nothing but 9.6 upon 96. This is one of the best problem for clearing concept. ये सब अपने वर्ड में लिख लो, ठीक है ना। -2 और +2 का मीनिंग हो गया, -2 मीन्स 2 electrons are added, +2 का मतलब हो गया 2 electrons are removed, and mass of electrons are not considered. Mass of electrons are not considered. ऐसा। Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think it is clear now. I think it is clear now. Sahil, कोई प्रॉब्लम?
Yes, sir.
किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
No, sir.
तो अभी लास्ट वाला 11th क्लास था, उनमें बोलो तो पूरा मैसेज से पूरा इनबॉक्स भर देते थे, ठीक है ना। तो जितना ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करोगे उतना अच्छा रहेगा। चलो आ जाओ, let us do one more example. Let us do one more example. Let us do one more example. देखो देखो, if 20 gram of 20 gram of methane is removed from removed from 100 gram of methane, then find out first removed moles, second total moles. भी कैसा initial and then remaining mole. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक, तो सभी लोग मैसेज भी कर करके बोल सकते हैं, नॉट एन इशू. Is it clear? Can you
Yes, sir.
see it properly? Can you see it properly?
Yes, sir.
Calculating. Start calculating. Start calculating. Start calculating. What is that? पहला लिखा मैंने removed mole. First one. Removed mole will be number of moles of CH4 which is removed. 20 gram is removed. Molar mass is 16. Yes or no? So it is 5/4. Second, मैंने लिखा initial total mole. सभी लोग बोलते जाओ, जिनका आंसर आता जाए ना वो बोलते जाया करो. ऐसा लगेगा कि क्लास चल रहा है, नहीं तो क्लास रुका हुआ है. किसी को ऐसा लग रहा है क्या क्लास रोक करके मजा आता है? बोलो, it will be. Five by 4.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, initial total mole में हमें 20 भी ऐड करना होगा, right?
It will be 100
120
divided,
upon 16.
100 divided by 16. So 5 से डिवाइड करो, 4 से 25 ऊपर आ गया, 4 नीचे आ गया.
Yes, sir. What I was saying is, they have asked total mole, the initial one, so before the moving, right? So it should be 120.
No. What it is saying, it is removed from 100 gram. है ना? It means that what was the initial one? 100, out of which it is removed.
Okay, sir, understood.
No? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So removed moles will be and remaining mole will be. Now there are two methods by which you can solve it. One, you can directly write what is the remaining mass. चाहो तो ऐसा लिख सकता था और subtract कर सकता था. Remaining mass divided by 16 और subtract भी कर सकता था, है ना? This is 5 moles remaining. This is method number 1. What will be the second method? You can say number of moles remaining, initial mole minus removed moles, है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
25 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4, which is nothing but 20 upon 4, which is nothing but 5 moles. Both are correct. Both are correct. Both are correct. Both are correct one. Both are correct one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write fast. अब पता चलेगा कि तुम कभी भी बुक्स वगैरह उठाओगे, तुमसे बोलेगा कि कोई एक सिरप है और उस सिरप में सपोज कोई एक फॉर्मूला इथेनॉल मिथेनॉल ऐसा करके इज सपोज 1%, 2%, 3%, वॉट एवर, और तुमको बोलता है कि सपोज तुमने 100 ml कंज्यूम कर लिया तो उसका मास कितना होगा, ऐसा करके। तो 100 ml या 100 ग्राम कंज्यूम किया तो उसका 5%, दैट इज अ 5 ग्राम हो गया। बस मास डिवाइडेड बाय मोलर मास कर दिया। तुमसे बोल सकता है तुम्हारी बॉडी में सपोज कोई हार्मोन है, वो सेक्रेट हो रहा है। इफ हार्मोन इज सेक्रेटिंग फ्रॉम योर बॉडी, सपोज वो बोल दे कि एवरी 1 आवर पे सपोज 5 ग्राम सेक्रेट करता है, तो तुमसे बोल लूं पूरा 12 आवर्स में क्या होगा, तो 12 आवर्स में 1 आवर में 5 ग्राम, 12 आवर में 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 6 डिवाइडेड बाई मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ दैट गिवन कंपाउंड हार्मोन का, है ना? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are the variety of the problem. These are the variety of the problem. These are the variety of the problem. Suppose तुमसे बोल दे, shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose I'm saying next problem. What is simple problem, huh? And believe me, these are the problems coming in the exam, competitive exams. इतना easy होता है। क्या बोलता है कि if any sentence is written by, suppose any sentence is written by कार्बन पेंसिल, है ना, जो तुम लोग लिखते थे। If mass of sentence is mass of sentence is 9 नैनोग्राम। म्यू यानी माइक्रो और एन का मतलब है नैनो। ओके, स्मॉल एन लिखेगा तो नैनो, नैनोग्राम, नैनोमीटर, वॉट एवर इट इज। देन फाइंड आउट number of moles of sentence. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please write down the problem and solve it. Simple सा problem. What is mole? Mole is mass divided by molecular mass. What is mass? 9 into 10 raised to power minus 9. What is molecular mass of carbon? 12. Bus. So this is 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to power minus 9, which is equals to 0.25 into 10 raised to power minus 9. That you can write 2.5 into 10 raised to power 10 mole. I don't think there is a tough problem. Is it a problem?
No, sir.
No. It's not a tough problem.
Sir, that would be 3 by 4, right?
Which one?
Sir, in the
Yes.
second step or third.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes. Must be 3 by 4. It must be 3 by 4. Three by 4. What is the meaning of 3 by 4 is 0.75. Eh?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 7.5 into 10 raised to power minus 10 moles. Done. Done, everyone? Noted? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो रे बाबा सभी लोग तभी तो होगा. Now the next one is next heading लिखो moves in terms of लिखो moves in terms of number. Mole in terms of number. Moles in terms of number. Mole in terms of number. Mole in terms of number. ठीक? Moles in terms of number. चलो आ जाओ moles in terms of number में क्या हो सकता था? तुमने क्या किया? This is 12 gram of carbon 12. This is 12 gram of carbon 12. इन सबको क्या करो? बिल्कुल सेपरेट कर दो by means of any method. काउंट करना स्टार्ट करो. 1 2 3 4. समझ आ रहा है क्या? Each and every atom, each and every atom, each and every atom is separated now. And now start counting 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक? Each and every atom is separated. Now start counting 1 2 3 4 5 6. काउंट करने के बाद पता है कितना आया? बोलो. काउंट करने के बाद कितना आया? 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. It is equivalent to 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो उन्होंने क्या बोला कि if you are collecting, see, this is also defined with respect to carbon. देख रहा था? 6.02. What is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23? So 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon 12. 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon 12 is defined as 1 mole. तो तुम क्या करो 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 any entities, any item is collected is called as 1 mole. What does it mean? अगर मैं 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 pen collect कर दूं, then it will be 1 mole pen. Suppose 6.02 into 10 raised to power 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 mango रख दिया. This is called as 1 mole of mango. तो तुमने अगर 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 हाथी घोड़ा कुछ भी कलेक्ट कर दे is called as 1 mole of that chemical substance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो अब ये बोल रहा है कि this is amount of chemical substance which contains as much as entities. As much as entities. अब वो entities क्या हो सकते थे? इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, पेन, पेंसिल, रुपीस, whatever it may be. So 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 entities is called as 1 mole of that chemical substance. So please start writing definition. Definition number 1 हो गया तुम्हारे पास ऐसा 12 ग्राम of carbon 12. Definition number 2 क्या हो गया? This is ratio of mass and molecular mass. Definition number 3 you can write. अभी नोट नहीं करना है, जैसे ऐसे बता रहा हूँ. 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Entities of any chemical substance is 1 mole or number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 is 1 mole. But तुम क्या लिखोगे definition? What definition you are going to write in the exam? So this one is the definition you will write in the exam. Please write. क्या बोल रहा है? The mole is defined as, so this definition must be written in exam. Mole is defined as amount of chemical substance. Amount of chemical substance. Amount of chemical substance which contains as much as entities entities क्या हो सकते थे? इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, पेन हो सकता था, पेंसिल हो सकता था, इट कुड बी पेन, पेंसिल, एटम, मॉलिक्यूल, whatever it may be. Okay, which contains as much as entities as there are number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12. Okay, which contains as much as entities as there are number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12. As there are number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12. बोलो, एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No, sir.
This is the definition. This one must be written in the exam. This definition is expected from teachers. Okay? So you do not define in terms of mass, you do not define in terms of volume, but you must define in terms of this one. So mole is defined as, okay, this is the amount of chemical substance which contains as much as entities as there are number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12. As there are number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12. Any problem, please?
No, sir.
Any problem, please? I
No,
don't
sir.
think there is any problem. I don't think there is any problem. Okay? चलो देखो प्रॉब्लम देखो देखो find out the number of moles find out number of moles into 6.02 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules of 22 molecules of CH4 molecules of CH4 second लिखा 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23 ions of NO3 minus. First, you have to write the definition, that is the formula, that is mole equals to, just a minute, हमने extremely sorry, हमने formula तो derive ही नहीं किया. Then how can I calculate this one? इसको हम लोग थोड़ी देर के बाद कैलकुलेट करते हैं. प्लीज 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 इसको थोड़ी देर के बाद करते हैं. हाँ, क्या बोल रहा है? सॉरी 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms is nothing but 1 mole. है ना? This is 1 mole. So 1 atom will be 1 divided by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. n नंबर कितना हो जाएगा? It will be n divided by 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. और तुमको एग्जाम्स वगैरह बुक्स वगैरह में ऐसा लिखेगा n नॉट. सॉरी. So moles will be, formula become number divided by Avogadro number. सुरभि नंबर कट गया. नंबर एंड नंबर कट गया, कुछ भी नहीं बचा. ऐसा है क्या? बोलो सभी लोग, ऐसा है क्या?
No.
No, sir.
नहीं रे बाबा,
No, sir.
मजाक कर रहा था मैं. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? ओके So this is the formula. This is the formula. First formula, mass divided by molar mass. Second formula, number divided by Avogadro number. Number divided by Avogadro number. ठीक है, मैं अभी कुछ लोगों को लेक्चर के लिए, दूसरे लेक्चर के लिए जाना है, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, जिनको जाना है वो जा सकते हैं, नॉट एन इशू, बट उसको एज होमवर्क कर लेंगे, नहीं तो ऐसा कर लेंगे. 6.02 into 10 raised to power 22. This is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. This is 1 upon 10.1 mole. Bas. What is the second one? 3.01. That is, you can write number divided by Avogadro number. Formula. Bas. Number divided by Avogadro number. हो गया. 3.01 into 10 raised to power 23. 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 is nothing but 0.5. कट करके हाफ आ गया. बोलो, यहां तक किसी को भी प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
No, sir.
Is there any problem till now?
No, sir.
नहीं है. If there is no problem, then we can leave the class. Those who have some other classes, they respectfully join, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को पैदल जाना है और इधर उधर. क्यों रे जादव? ठीक है ना? Is there any problem, please?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, very good. तो कल हम लोग मिलते हैं 24 आवर ब्रेक के बाद. मिलते हैं 24 आवर्स ब्रेक के बाद. ओके?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Am I go? क्या बोला? Am I going slow? Am I going slow? Slowly जा रहा हूँ क्या? Am I going slowly?
No, no, sir.
Shall I go faster one? Or is it okay one?
Sir, it's
This-
okay.
Okay, this is okay one. This is okay one. ठीक है.